Now, when I expand brackets, you can do the crab claws, or you can put them into a grid like this. What I do is I put the first bracket at the top and the second bracket on the side. It doesn't matter what order as long as they're paired off together. Now, we are timesing algebra. My M1s know this, so hopefully you can remember this from M1, M2. When you're timesing algebra together, the power increases. So A times A, that becomes A. Can you put on your fingers what power you think that becomes? Excellent. A to the power of 2. A times B, nice and easy. That's going to be AB. A times minus B minus AB. We are going to effectively cancel out the AB and the negative AB. So we end up with A squared minus B squared as our answer. That will always be the case. The only reason we've got that is because we've got a repeated bracket with a positive and a negative. This one's the same. If you have a square, this means you have this bracket repeated twice. This one I'm not going to verbally go over because we've got very limited time and I need to go for a cover lesson. This one's A squared minus AB minus AB plus B squared. Minus times minus gives you a positive. Combining that all together, you are going to get A squared. There's two lots of A minus AB, so minus 2AB plus B squared. This is becoming a lot more complicated. We have the square root of A and 1. This will be in your investigation tomorrow. I will support you through this a bit more. Now, if you have a square root and square root times together and you're not sure what to do, imagine this is a 9. Square root of 9 times the square root of 9, that becomes the square root of 81, which just becomes 9. So the square root of something times the square root of something just becomes the letter itself. That is A. That's just A. That's a rule. Square root of something times the square root of something just becomes the letter itself. If you're writing down anything this lesson, I'd write down that relationship. This is then the square root of A. This is minus the square root of A. And this is minus 1. These cancel out, so our answer just becomes A minus 1. Wow, look how amazing that is. From here to here. Then, we've done this quite a lot. I'm not going to go over this too much. This will be in section A of your thing tomorrow. We are going to have A is less than or equal to B plus 6. Now, if you've got any questions, can you please put your hand up?